Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can deploy a GitHub project on Vercel. I already made this tutorial before, but this is an updated video. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can do this. First thing you need to do, you want to just log in into your GitHub account, then click on new in the top left. Now after that, you want to then name your repository. For example, I'm going to name it, for example, clock, okay? And after that description, you can just come up with whatever you want. Big clock, this is just an example. And after that, all this, you just need to ignore everything and then click on create repository. And after that, in the next page, you just need to click here on uploading an existing file or creating a new file. I'm going to click on uploading an existing file index, okay? You just need to click here on choose your files. And after that, you just need to click on commit changes. Now it says here processing your files. You just need to give it a few seconds. Now, as you can see, the file has been uploaded to GitHub successfully. Now you just need to click, you want to go now to Vercel, then click on start deploying. And after that, you want to click on continue with GitHub. It's going to redirect you to GitHub just to give it for authorization process. Okay, so as you can see here, so after you are here, click on this username, then click on add GitHub account. Now you want to click here, it says all repositories. You want to go, you scroll down a little bit and then select here repository. You can also import all, but I'm going to go with only the clock. As you can see, then click save. It says here, okay, it's successfully, it's imported successfully. Now what you need to do, you want to click on import. Okay, I'm going to name the project the same thing, the clock, big clock. Okay, so here the framework preset, you're just going to leave it as it is, like order. And after that, I'm going to click on deploy. Now you just need to wait for the process. Okay, so I'm going to click here. As you can see, it says here deploying. You just need to give it a few seconds. So any changes now you make on GitHub will be updated on Vercel too. So you just need to click here on continue to dashboard. As you can see, you have now your project. As you can see, if you click in the top left, you will be able to see all your projects. Okay, here click on your account, your GitHub, and then you will be able to see all the projects. I'm going to click on this project. Now just click on the link and it's going to take you directly. So that's exactly, guys, how you can deploy project from GitHub to Vercel. Now if you have any questions, it seems like there is an error with my index code here, so I'm going to fix it next time. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll reply to every single comment. Drop a like and see you in the next tutorial.